In this video, I will be showing you how to turn ChatGPT into a professional bug and insect identification assistant. To get started, I'll head over to my notepad where I have a custom prompt ready to go. I'm selecting the entire block of text that defines the AI's new persona, ensuring it knows to provide scientific names, habitat details, and safety advice. With the text copied, I'll navigate back to the ChatGPT homepage, paste the prompt into the message bar, and hit send. I'll wait a moment for the AI to process the request. It confirms the update to its memory and outlines exactly how it will help me identify bugs, noting it will look for visual clues and determine if a creature is harmful or beneficial. Now I'm ready to test it out, so I'll click the attachment icon and select the option to upload photos. I'm choosing an image of a vibrant red and black bug found on a plant. While that is loading, I'll jump back to my text file to copy a detailed description of the sighting to provide the AI with more context. I'll paste that into the chat and send it. As the AI analyzes the image, I'll scroll down to see the results. It has identified the insect as a milkweed assassin bug nymph. I'm reviewing the identification breakdown now, which explains its predatory behavior and why it's actually a very helpful addition to a garden for natural pest control. Next, I want to identify a different species, so I'll click the upload button again and select a photo of a small, spotted beetle. I'll head back to my notes one more time to copy a specific set of questions about this beetle's spots and its role in the ecosystem. I'll paste the text and wait for the AI to respond. It correctly identifies the 7-spotted lady beetle, commonly known as a ladybug. I'm scrolling through the detailed report, which covers everything from its diet of aphids to the geographic regions where it's most commonly found. It even clears up the common myth about whether or not its spots indicate its age. Using this method makes it incredibly easy to get expert-level insights into the nature around you with just a simple photo. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.